Hello everyone. So today our topic is past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. Let's learn about it. Past perfect tense is used to express an action completed before a certain moment in the past. For example, at the age of 5, she had learned classical dance. So she had learned classical dance at the age of 5. So at the age of 5 is the certain moment in the past. Next is to express an action which was completed before a certain action in the past. Means one action will be completed before the certain action. For example, he had already got the information before I informed him. So before I informed him, what action was completed? That is, he had already got the information. So here we can use past perfect tense to express unfulfilled desire of the past. For example, I wish I had paid all the bills on time. So unfulfilled desire it is, and we can use past perfect tense for this. Next is for conditional sentences when we have to express an action which you wanted to do in the past but you didn't. For example, if I had accepted his proposal, I would have been rich. So it didn't happen, but you are wishing that this action didn't happen. So this is the condition, third condition, and in third condition we use if I had accepted his proposal. Here we have used past perfect tense. Dear students, through these two pictures we will learn how the past perfect tense is related to past continuous tense and simple past tense. So in first situation, you can see the sentence, she was eating the soup her mother had cooked. So one action, she was eating the soup, that was in progress, and mother had cooked had already been done. Now past perfect tense once again is connected to simple past tense. She had cleaned the room when I got home yesterday. So when the person came home or returned home, what he noticed that one action had already been done. What was that? That she had cleaned the room. So this action took place before he came. Dear students, now you very well know that where we use simple past tense and past perfect tense. When we mention any past event and its order of occurrence, we use past perfect tense for the action which happened earlier than the other action. They had invited my sister in the party, so she also accompanied me. So she accompanied me later. Before that, she had got the invitation. Simple past tense is used for the actions which occurred in a sequence in the past. For example, we went to church, we prayed there, then attended the ceremony. So this is the sequence. What we did, for example, we went to church first, then we prayed there, then attended the ceremony. So this is given in a sequence, and for sequence we use simple past tense. Forms of past perfect tense: positive, negative and interrogative. I had left the group. Negative, I hadn't left the group. Had I left the group? We had completed the task. We hadn't completed the task. Had we completed the task? You had brought that puppy. You hadn't brought that puppy. Had you brought that puppy? He, she, the boy had polished the shoes. He, she, the boy hadn't polished the shoes. Had he, she, the boy polished the shoes? They, the boys, had had their lunch. They or the boys hadn't had their lunch. Had they or the boys had their lunch? Past perfect continuous tense, and the form of this tenses had been plus V1 ing. See these pictures. Katie had been practicing for weeks before the concert. So, before the concert, she had been doing some action continuously. So, here we can use past perfect continuous tense. Second example, she had been working for 3 hours when I left the PC. When I left the PC, what action was going on? She had been working for 3 hours continuously and the action was not stopped. So in that case, we use past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that began before a certain time in the past and continued up to that time or stopped just before it. For example, the thief had been searching the money for few hours when we entered the house. So here, when we entered the house, what was going on? The thief had been searching the money. Next, to express a repeated action in the past perfect as a continuous action. For example, he had been acting in films for 10 years. So this action was repeated in past. Forms of past perfect continuous tense: positive, negative, and interrogative. When I is used, we will say, I had been working hard all day. Negative, I hadn't been working hard all day. Interrogative, had I been working hard all day? While using we had been working hard all day. We hadn't been working hard all day. Interrogative, had we been working hard all day? Now, while using you had been working hard all day. Negative, you hadn't been working hard all day. Interrogative, had you been working hard all day? While using he, she or any singular noun, he, she or the boy had been working hard all day. He, she or the boy hadn't been working hard all day. Had he, she or the boy been working hard all day? While using they or any plural noun such as the boys, they or the boys had been working hard all day. They or the boys had not been working hard all day. Had they or the boys been working hard all day? I hope you understood past perfect and past perfect continuous tense very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.